Hey, what's going on, guys? We just got this cheap Bowen's mower. They said it doesn't run. Comes with 2 gas cans. They got a lawn service. They didn't really need this. Not sure about this, but I just tried pulling it and it did start up, but it died. So we'll see if we can do this again. Yeah, we know she has to work. And oh, what's that? I think there's water in there. Pretty sure that's water. Hold on. Alright, let's try this. It looked like it had water in it. It's probably flooded now. It might just have water in it. I hope that's the problem, so we don't have to buy a new carb. Alright guys, we're going to first switch the sides because it's freaking me out right here. Before we do anything, I want to that's how it's supposed to be. Alright. Just like that. Take this out. Stick it in there. Push it back in. Hardest things I've ever done. Right there. Pull the thing. And we will pull it down like that. We're going to take the carburetor off, and I'm guessing there's probably water in it because you guys saw it. It runs, but not right. I hate these new ones. Take this fuel thing off, like here. Yank this fuel off. Oh shit, that's not good. Well, I mean, we got the thing off. All right, we got that. Now we can put this. So you guys can see, filled up that much. There you go. That little bubble right there is water. Awesome. That sounds like it's good. Look at that. Alright, let's take a look in here. There is something floating in there. Here, I'll give you guys a closer view. You can see there's like some kind of white stuff inside. That might have clogged up one of the jets. Alright, everything seems to be good. So I want to clarify something real quick, and yes, if you're having suspicions that I did not clean the whole carburetor, I did not clean the whole carburetor, and I guess I was feeling overly confident that day, probably back in October when I filmed this video. So give me a little bit of a break and continue watching this video. I promise you will not be disappointed. You guys can see that, right? That guy in. Oh crap, totally forgot. We gotta take the top part off quick. Let me go ahead and clean this out and take that off, and we will install it again. Alright, got that cover off. I cleaned it out the best I could, and now we can put this baby on here. Get her on there. Alright, let's go ahead and try to start her up. Push the fuel bubble. Alright, she's still doing the same problem, which is a bummer. I was expecting her to work good. But explain to me how you want this to run if you do not clean it right. I don't know. Alright, so what we're doing here is we're going to take the parts that we need out of the carburetor that we're working on currently, and we're going to put them in the carburetor on the left that's going into our Bollens mower. So stay tuned. I'm pretty sure this is gonna work. Like this. That's good. Got everything on. Let's put this air filter on there, here. Alright, let's go ahead and try to start her up. Crossing our fingers. Please. Please work. Please. That sounds pretty good. I'm pretty sure it was just my crappy carb cleaning. The thing I noticed that I kind of want to fix is you can see there's a little bit of like a dry sludge looking stuff. I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it with one that I have somewhere. Let's see. got a nice one right here. Hopefully that'll do the job. That did seem a little bit loose. But gently take this off, and we're gonna compare it because I'm not sure. Yeah, you can definitely see the difference. This one has like little notches in it. That might actually work better. So I think this was a crappy gasket, like that hole is bigger than the others. Put this new guy in. I'm gonna put this back on and we're gonna run it, and hopefully it won't drip oil.